Tips and tricks for bettering your lead generation experience. Lead generation is something you can learn about once you have the right tips presented to you. Getting leads for a business can be tricky, but that's why tips like these were put together. Take a moment to go through all of this and see where it can take you. Build your presence on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the most business-friendly social media channel out there. People use LinkedIn to network and even broker new deals. It's the perfect place to create lead generation opportunities for you and your company. Invest in a premium membership as it will allow you to see everyone who has viewed your profile. Be careful about buying email lists to use for lead generation. A lot of companies swear their lists are fresh, but quite often 30% or more of the names you are purchasing will be out of date. Prior to purchasing, negotiate with a list-selling company in regard to this. You should get a partial refund if a percentage this high is noticed. You can generate leads using incentives, because a lot of folks will act when there is an incentive for them to do so. For example, receiving an incentive for buying a needed product can often sway them to opt in. Give them an extra reason to take you up on your offer and you will generate many more leads. Don't forget your website. Many people create a site and then just leave it, believing that if you build it, they will come. They won't unless you actually put some effort into it. Create a blog and update it frequently, or add new content as often as possible to the site itself. As you're able to see now, you can learn a lot about lead generation before you get started with it. It's just going to take you some time and effort to pull off getting more leads for your business. When you're ready to get started, make sure you keep these tips in mind. Student loan.